Are you ready to make your YouTube Shorts more engaging and accessible? Today we are diving into how to add captions to your YouTube Shorts in 2025. Captions not only enhance viewer engagement but also make your content accessible to a wider audience. Let's get started. Adding captions is so crucial for several reasons. Captions help viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. Many users watch videos without sound, especially on mobile devices. Captions allow them to follow along. Videos with captions are more likely to appear in search results, increasing your reach. You can add captions either during the upload process or later in YouTube Studio. Here's how. Sign in and navigate to the content section. Click on the short you want to edit. Click on the subtitles icon on the left menu. Use the pen icon to type in your captions manually or edit automatic captions generated by YouTube. To ensure your captions sync perfectly with your video, utilize the edit timings feature after typing them in. If typing out captions seems daunting, consider using AI tool like SendShot. This tool automates the captioning process and offers several design options to match your style. Here's how. It's free and takes less than 5 minutes. Simply upload your shot. The tool will create captions within 97.8% accuracy, ensuring clarity. Adjust the styles as needed before exporting your video back to YouTube. Adding captions to your YouTube short is a straightforward process that can significantly improve viewer engagement and accessibility. Whether you choose to do it manually or leverage AI tools, the benefits are clear. So start captioning today and watch your audience grow. Remember, if you found this tutorial helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy creating!